Stalker. Hi, I'm Jellybean the doll.
Hi, I'm Stalker the doll.
And welcome to Jolie and Friends. Today on Jolie and Friends, we are going to learn the words of the alphabet from A to Z. Now let's begin. A is for apple and for art and for astronaut. B is for baby and for balloon and for basket.
C is for candy and for car and for castle.
D is for doll and for dress and for dinosaur.
E is for elephant and for eagle and for egg.
F is for fairy and for flower and for frog. G is for garden and for giraffe and for guitar. H is for hair and for honey and for house.
I is for ice cream and for ice and for island.
J is for jeans and for juice and for jacket.
K is for king and for kite and for kangaroo.
L is for lettuce and for lake and for lamp. M is for monster. Monster? I'm so scared.
Don't worry, Jellybean. There are some better words that doesn't scare you, like magic and music.
Thanks, Stalker. That made me feel better.
You're welcome, Jellybean.
N is for nature and for necklace and for notebook. O is for ocean and for orange and for otter.
P is for prince and for princess and for piano.
Q is for queen and for question mark and for quilt.
R is for rainbow and for rug and for robot.
S is for sun and for sky and for sheep. T is for teddy bear and for tent and for train. Yeah, trains! I like trains.
I know you do, Jellybean, and so do I.
Thanks, Stalker.
U is for unicorn and for umbrella and for universe.
V is for vegetable and for vase and for video games. Video games? I like to play video games. And so do we, Jolie. We like to play video games. Thanks, Jellybean Stalker. W is for water and for wagon and for walrus. X is for x-ray and for xylophone. I'm sorry, but these are the two words that I can come up with for the letter X.
Y is for yarn and for yogurt and for year.
And Z is for zebra and for zipper and for zoo. That's all what the letter is for, but there are more words that start for the letters of the alphabet. Do you know any? Of course we know any.
And you can learn any words from anywhere.
What did you learn today?